Hello everyone, today we are going to solve problem on moment distribution method. So problem statement is analyze continuous beam ABC using moment distribution method. So diagram here, continuous ABC over this AB member, A support is a fixed support, B and C support is roller support. Then over this AB member 20 kN per meter UDL is act. Its span is 6 meter and inertia is 2I. Then next BC member, over this BC member 60 kN point load is act. Its span is total span 4 meter and inertia is only I. So let's start the solution. So first step is to find fixed end moment. That is FEM. So first for member AB, fixed end moment for member AB, formula is minus WL square divided by 12. So here W is 20, L is nothing but 8 square divided by 12. So 20 multiplied by 8 square divided by 12 is nothing but minus 106.67 kilonewton meter. Then next fixed end moment for member BA, formula is plus WL square divided by 12, here 20 into 8 square divided by 12. This value is nothing but plus 106.67 kilonewton meter. Okay, then next for member BC, so in that fixed end moment for member BC is equal to, formula is WL by 8, here W is 60 multiplied by L is 4 divided by 8. So this value is nothing but here minus 30 kilonewton meter. Then next fixed end moment for member CB, same formula is there, only sign is changed, WL by 8. So here plus 60 multiplied by 4 divided by 8 is nothing but plus 30 kilonewton meter. These are our fixed end moments. Then next step is to find out distribution factor. So before starting next step, here these are some formulas to find out relative stiffness, that is K. So first condition is for fixed support, relative stiffness, that is K is equal to, formula is 4EI divided by L, or second formula is optional formula I by L. Then next condition for hinge or roller support, relative stiffness is equal to 3EI divided by L, or second formula is 3 divided by 4 multiplied by I by L. Okay. Then next step is distribution factor. Here distribution chart, joint member stiffness, that is K, then total stiffness, that is summation of K, and last is distribution factor. Here formula is K divided by summation of K. So first joint, here we take intermediate joint, so here B joint. Then member, at this B joint 2 members is act. First is BA member and second is BC member. Okay, then next stiffness BC member, this A support is fixed support, so that's why here we take this formula 4EI divided by L. So here 4E, I value is given here 2I divided by L is nothing but 8 meter, so is equal to 4 multiplied by 2, 8. So here 8EI divided by 8. So here 8 get cancelled, so only EI is remains, so 1 EI. Okay, then next for BC member, stiffness is C support is a roller support and B also is a roller support, so that's why here we take 3EI divided by L formula. So here 3EI value is constant divided by L is nothing but 4 meter, so 3 divided by 4 is nothing but 0.75 EI. Okay, then next column is total stiffness. Total stiffness means addition of these two stiffness, that is 1 EI plus 0.75 EI is nothing but 1.75 EI. Okay, then next last column is distribution factor. So formula is K divided by summation of K. So for BA member, K is nothing but our only EI divided by summation of K is 1.75 EI. Okay, so here EI get cancelled, so 1 divided by 1.75 is nothing but 0.57. So for BA member, our distribution factor is 0.57. Then next BC member, K is 0.75 divided by 1.75. Here EI get cancelled. So 0.75 divided by 1.75 is nothing but 0.43. So for BC member, our distribution factor is 0.43. Then next step is step number 3. Moment distribution. So in that chart is first joint. There are 3 joints, A, B and C joint. Then next is member. So for A joint, AB member is act. Then for B joint, 2 members is act. First is BA member and second is BC member. And then last for C joint, CB member is act. Then next fixed end movement. In first step we already calculate fixed end movement. So first for fixed end movement for member AB is minus 106.67. Then next for BA member fixed end movement is plus 106.67. Then BC member minus 30 and fixed end movement for CB member is plus 30. Okay. Then next here our C support is roller supports. This is not our fixed support, so that's why we require to balance this movement. So here balancing coefficient of movement. So that's why here we take minus 30 Then next here minus 30 divided by 2, this factor is there, minus 15. So balancing this moment because of our C support is not a fixed support. So next addition of all these values, here minus 106.67, here 106.67, then here minus 30 minus 15 is nothing but minus 45, and here plus 30 minus 30 is equal to 0. Okay, this support, C support is balanced. Then next here we consider fixed end moment. Then next distribution factor, coefficient of movement, and then last coefficient of factor. So distribution factor for BA we already calculate in second step. Here BA coefficient factor is 0.57 and for member BC 0.47. So here distribution factor for member BA is nothing but 0.57 and here 0.43. Then next coefficient of movement, here adding these two values 106.67 and 45. So here 106.67 minus 45, we take here minus sign because of already given. Okay, then 106.67 minus 45 is nothing but 61.67. okay, 61.67. so this value is positive value, so here we take minus sign. Minus 61.67 multiplied by this distribution factor 0.57 is nothing but minus 35.15, and here minus 61.67 multiplied by 0.43 is nothing but minus 26.5, and then coefficient of factor is minus 35.15 divided by 2 is nothing but minus 17.57, and here 0. Then next final movement, adding all these value excluding distribution factor. So here minus 106.67 minus 17.57 is nothing but minus 124.24. Then next this 106.67 minus 35.15 is nothing but 71.50. Then next minus 45 minus 26.5 is nothing but minus 71.50, and C is 0. These two value will always same, one is positive and second one is negative. Okay, so here our movement distribution step is completed. Then next is final step, step number 4. Draw bending moment diagram. So here firstly draw given diagram ABC. Over this AB member 20 kilonewton per meter UDL is at. Then here 60 kilonewton, distance is 8 meter, and here total distance is 4 meter. Okay. Then take projection lines. Okay, first draw neutral axis. A, B, C. 0, 0. Okay. Then next, first we know that to find formula for finding out bending moment. So here over this AB member 20 kilonewton per meter UDL is act. So formula is WL square divided by 8. So here W is nothing but 20 multiplied by 8 square divided by 8 is nothing but 160. Then next, here over this BC member point load is act. So formula is WL by 4. So W is 60 multiplied by 4 divided by 4. So 4 get cancelled, only here 60 remains. Okay. So diagram is like that. Okay. Then next, put this final moments value. So first AB member, this final moment is minus 124.24. So here we take anti-clockwise sign, 124.24. Then at point B, final moment is for BA member 71.50 and for BC member minus 71.50. So here plus, that's why we take here positive clockwise sign and here anti-clockwise sign, 71.50. And at point C, 0. Okay. So put this value in this figure. First is 124 approximately here. Then next 71.50 and last is 0. So diagram is like that. Okay. This is our bending moment diagram in kilonewton meter. Okay. Thank you.